Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to run Nemotron-3 4 billion parameter model locally and test it. So it's a compact hybrid model for efficient local AI. So this is especially designed and trained for local AI. Leveraging the hybrid Mamba transformer architecture, this model is designed for efficiency and accuracy in a target set of capabilities, setting a new standard for lightweight small language models. The model is available across any NVIDIA GPU enabled platform and combined state of the art instruction following and exceptional tool use with minimum VRAM footage. With just 4 billion parameter, Nemotron 3 is a Nano 4B is compact enough to run at the edge on the NVIDIA Jetson platform as well as NVIDIA DGX Spark and NVIDIA RTX GPUs. This enables faster response time, enhanced data privacy and flexible deployment while keeping the infrastructure cost low. So you want to run it on a low end GPUs, then this model is best for you. If you are planning to run it on your local GPU, then this model is best for you. Nemotron-3 Nano 4B is the first model specially optimized for an on-device deployment and purpose-built to power local conversational agents and personas across GE4, RTX, Jetson and Spark customer use cases. This model achieves a state-of-the-art accuracy and efficiency in several dimensions key to production use on the edge, and efficiency benchmark were measured on RTX 4070 using Llama CPP and Q4KM quantized version of this model. This model is available on Hugging Face and the name is NVIDIA Nemotron-3 Nano 4B BF16. So I will try this model, and to try this model click here and use VLLM, and this is the command to install VLLM. You just need to simply call the pip install VLLM command and it will install the VLLM from the pip, and this is the serve command and this is the test command. So let's try this one by one. I have NVIDIA GE4 RTX 5060 Ti 16 GB and CUDA is 13.2, so which is latest one, and now I will so you can see this is the VLLM which is installed on my machine. VLLM 0.18.0, and let's run the command VLLM serve NVIDIA Nemotron 4B BF16 and trust remote equal to true. So this is necessary, which will, so this trust remote code is true, which is VLM is trusting this remote model and it will running. So command is this, just run it. Model is already downloaded on my machine, so it will take less time. So see the GPU usage. Now model is loaded into the memory and it is ready to serve and getting ready for serving. Model is loaded Now let's try this. So we are using curl to send this prompt. The prompt is what is the capital of France? So let's run it. Now it is running. And you can see the GPU usage. GPU memory is already 100% used, and now the graph is increased for GPU usage, and this is the output. So here thinking completed, and this is the result. Paris is the capital of France, and it is saying refusal null. Refusal. So there is no refusion by the model, and the output is Paris is the capital of France. So in this video, I showed you how you can use the Nemotron model on VLLM. In this tutorial, I showed you how you can use the VLLM to serve the NVIDIA Nemotron-3 Nano 4B BF16 model and then test it using the VLLM. So thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos like this.